Have you ever felt like your current smartphone just can't keep up? Maybe the battery drains too quickly, the camera isn't quite as sharp as you'd like, or the processor starts lagging when you have too many apps open. But what if there was finally a smartphone that could handle everything we threw at it? No lag, no blurry photos, and battery for days. Enter the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is just around the corner, and we can't wait to share what we know so far. There's a lot to unpack here, so let's dive right in. First up, it's looking like the S24 Ultra will pack quite the punch when it comes to performance. Rumors point to either the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip or Samsung's own Exynos 2400, depending on the market. Now, Exynos chips have gotten some flack in the past, but leaked benchmarks actually show the 2400 outperforming the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in some areas. We'll wait for real-world testing, but signs point to a serious upgrade in speed either way. And combined with rumors of up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, the S24 Ultra is shaping up to be an absolute beast of a phone when it comes to raw power. We can't wait to see how it handles intense gaming, multitasking, and more. This could finally be the Android phone that goes toe-to-toe with the iPhone's sheer performance. Major camera upgrades inbound. Now, let's talk cameras because, wow, the S24 Ultra is set to impress here too. Building upon the already stellar quad-camera array of the S23 Ultra, rumors point to an improved 200-megapixel main sensor, the addition of a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, and upgraded zoom capabilities. That new telephoto lens means potentially better quality at 10 times zoom ranges. And paired with what Samsung is calling Zoom Anywhere technology, featuring AI enhancement plus 4K recording at up to 5 times optical zoom, the hybrid and digital zoom capabilities could be game-changing for Samsung. No more fuzzy faraway shots. Rumors also mention better low-light performance, faster shooting speeds, and additional AI photo tweaking in the back-end to further improve image quality. Samsung could finally catch up to, or even surpass, Google's computational photography prowess with the S24 Ultra if all these camera rumors hold true. It might seem minor, but an upgraded 12-megapixel selfie camera could also help the S24 Ultra stand tall against the latest iPhones when it comes to social media-worthy shots. Overall, it's looking like photography buffs have a lot to get excited about here. A truly brilliant and durable display. Of course, a giant and dazzling display is a given for any Samsung Ultra phone, and the S24 iteration sounds set to turn things up another notch. That expansive 6.8-inch AMOLED panel will still deliver those deep blacks and vibrant colors that Samsung is known for. Rumored display upgrades include a higher peak brightness, topping out at 2500 nits for improved visibility in bright sunlight. The latest Gorilla Glass protection also means better resilience against scratches and cracks. And while the Horizon Forbidden West game displayed here likely won't best a high-end gaming PC, it shows the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3's graphic capabilities, meaning mobile gaming on the S24 Ultra will reach bold new heights. While a bump to a 144Hz display would be nice, the existing 120Hz LTPO panel with one 120Hz dynamic refresh is still industry-leading. Perhaps a future Ultra will hit that silky smooth benchmark, but the S24 Ultra display still sets the bar for phones in 2024. Throw in leak-back rumors of slightly reduced display curvature, and you've got small but impactful changes that add up to a noticeably improved viewing and interaction experience. A redefined design that pops. Let's shift gears and talk design changes next. Yes, the S24 Ultra retains that signature contour-cut camera setup and Galaxy DNA, but a few subtle tweaks modernize the aesthetic and functionality even further. Rumored design changes include slightly boxier sides rounding out those display curves, giving your fingers and palm added gripping space. Paired with the titanium alloy frame, leaked factory CAD renders depict a striking yet understated professional vibe. Vibrant color options also make an appearance, including a standout yellow and unique violet if true to form. And with all colors rocking that matte frosted glass we know and love, the Galaxy S24 Ultra brings polish and playfulness that sets it apart from more staid competitors' iPhone. Early leaked hands-on images also showcase noticeable reductions in camera housing size while keeping lens counts the same. Cleaner lines and tighter spacing amplifies the visual pop of the S24 Ultra's photo capabilities, letting stunning image quality shine brighter. While not a drastic reinvention, these design tweaks show thoughtful refinement that accentuates all the performance and productivity gains packed within. The devil is always in the details, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra nails them. Next-level AI and software smarts. Now, let's dig into the enhanced software capabilities that really make the S24 Ultra stand out. Continued One UI refinements offer intuitive control and customization, but Samsung is going bigger in the AI assistant race with the debut of Samsung Gauss. Rumors point to Gauss being an on-device neural processing unit that handles complex machine learning tasks quickly without pinging external servers. We're talking things like intelligent image upscaling, photo editing and manipulation, real-time video effects, instant machine translations. The possibilities span far and wide. Add personalized productivity boosters like automated email drafting, document summarization, and speed reading assistance, and Gauss has the potential to redefine how we interface with and utilize our devices. By keeping processing localized on the S24 Ultra itself, Gauss sidesteps privacy pitfalls linked to data mining while still enabling next-level AI support. Things like easier video conferencing with live translation features, AR shopping modes, prompted health insights related to heart rate or oxygen levels, and even basic digital avatars for information or entertainment could be on the table. Samsung seems set on making Gauss the backbone for the next era of revolutionizing what phones can accomplish. Of course, leaked One UI 6.1 tidbits also showcase smaller but still exciting software additions like context-aware wallpapers, in-call translations, multi-speaker tracking for recording, and tighter camera app integrations. It all comes together as a thoughtfully crafted software experience that empowers the S24 Ultra to greater heights. Even longer battery life. Last but certainly not least, let's dive into battery life upgrades. The S23 Ultra already packs all-day endurance alongside 45-watt fast charging, but rumors suggest Samsung is pushing harder with the stacked battery architecture allowing for 10% increased density versus traditional designs. Yes, that likely means no big leap to 65-watt charging, which would have been nice, but prioritizing battery efficiency and longevity reflects customer wants. We'd all rather take a bit longer plugging it in if it means reliably getting through a full day without battery anxiety. Combine intelligent charging safeguards with additional heat management via vapor chambers, and the S24 Ultra seems poised to meet rising power demands of 6.8-inch QHD displays and advanced computational photography, while still confidently getting most users from dawn to dusk without issue. Given the bright displays, always-on connectivity, constant app usage, and more we expect from modern smartphones, achieving rock-solid battery dependability remains crucial, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra appears ready to deliver, judging by rumors thus far. The moment we've been waiting for. Well, there we have it, folks, an in-depth breakdown of all the exciting upgrades on tap for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, from revved-up performance and bold new AI potential to camera, display, and battery improvements. This device looks ready to claim the Android flagship crown yet again when it likely debuts January 17th. Rumored powerhouse internals, stunning material craftsmanship, and enhanced real-world functionality checks all our boxes. And continued One UI polish alongside visionary additions like Samsung Gauss paint the picture of a thoughtfully conceived product pushing the boundaries of what phones can achieve. While concrete details remain pending Samsung's official reveal, leaked intel and insider rumor mills strongly indicate the Galaxy S24 Ultra will delight from top to bottom. This could very well shape up as the Android superphone to beat in 2024, bringing together Samsung's hardware mastery with software ambition that moves the needle for the broader industry. The second this bad boy becomes available, we know what we'll be buying. How about you? Excited yet for the S24 Ultra and all it promises to bring to the table? Let us know what upgrade you anticipate benefiting from the most down in the comments. But for now, the countdown begins for what could be Samsung's most compelling Ultra device ever.